Hey guys, so I wanted to come and do some more Gimmicky products. It's like once I started this series or whatever, it was kind of like I'm on a roll because there's so much Gimmicky stuff out there that creating these lists almost becomes a breeze. It really does. So let's just get straight into it. Okay, so number one is the Steeler Putty Highlight. I don't know if that's the real name or if that's just the name that I thought that it is. I don't know, but it's literally a highlight which is putty. I saw Laura Lee did a video on this, and it was just weird. It just looked so strange. Like, I don't understand why it's putty. How is that, like, what, by it being putty, what does it do? How does it make the highlight any different? How does it make it better? It's squishy, it's a weird texture. It's okay, great, but I don't understand I just don't understand how it being a putty somehow makes the highlight better. It doesn't contribute anything toward the highlight, so it pure gimmick. Next is the Revolution Lip Liner Multi Pen. Now this looks like, again, I don't know if that's the name. I don't actually think that's the name. I think I just made that the name, but you know, I've got the pictures all up here. Now these, I think they have like 2 or 3, and I really do want to try these, but I think that they are trying to play on a lot of people's nostalgia of having a pen which has multicolors, and you can just click one down and it's green, and then you click one down and it's red, and you click one down and it's blue, and then you click one down and it's black. You know, all of those different colors that you'd have on this pen. But even though it is kind of gimmicky, it does contribute toward making something a little bit better, simply because if I've got a pen which has 4 different types of lip liner or eyeliner or whatever it is, I don't have to worry about having separate ones. I can store it all together in one. You know, it's not taking up the space of 4 pencils or however many pencils it is. It's all in one pencil. The only thing though that I must say is that, let's say you have a favorite one that you use on a daily and you use that all up, but you still have the other ones, but you don't necessarily want to use those ones. Then what do? Do you have to go out and buy a brand new pen which has all of the colors, but you already have some of those colors at home because you haven't finished using those ones? That's the, do you know what I'm saying? Like, that's the catch. Is it catch 22, catch 21? That's the catch about it. You're gonna probably end up finding that you've used your favorite one, and then the other ones that are left, they're there, but you can't necessarily buy this one shade back unless you buy the whole pen again, which means repurchasing those same shades you already still have at home. Next is the crease stamp. I tried this a few days ago. I was so hoping that it was gonna work. I really wanted it to work because I love the way cut creases look, and this crease stamp was supposed to literally just be like, you put the concealer on the stamp, you put it onto your eye, and then it creates the crease for you without you having to do anything. But when I tried it, the concealer wouldn't transfer onto my eye. It wouldn't transfer. There's kind of like all of these videos that I'm seeing where all of these girls are, you know, like literally like, no, it didn't work for me. And when I finally did get some of the concealer to transfer onto my eye, it just looked like I tried to draw on a cut crease, but I didn't quite do it right, and it's really janky, and some of it has transferred up there, and it didn't look right at all. Literally, the concealer is drying on contact with the rubber thing. It just didn't work for me. And even when I did it with just the eyeshadow, the eyeshadow just would not transfer from the stamp to my eye. So I don't know how you get it to work. I don't know if I did something wrong, but to me that is just a gimmick because it just did not work, period, point blank. And I'll leave that video linked down below. Next is magnetic eyelashes. I don't understand the point in having magnetic eyelashes. Okay, maybe so you can, you know, you have the 2 eyelashes, but you're not ruining your own eyelashes with glue, and no glue going to your eyes potentially, and I guess it's more of a safety thing, but at the same time, it's kind of like putting magnets on your eyelid. That sounds like it's going to be awfully heavy, number one, because you've got to have one magnet at the top and one magnet underneath. So that, like, I'll be worried that I'm going to like poke myself in the eye with one of those lashes with the magnet on it when I'm doing the one underneath. Number two, I'm gonna feel like it's not that secure. Like if I was to go like this, is it gonna fly off? Because what is it sticking to? What, the end of your eyelash, not the eyelid itself? Like that would be really dangerous. So if it's sticking to the end of your eye, to the base of your eyelash, that to me, it makes me wonder whether or not if I go like this a little bit too vigorously, it's going to just go flying. So I just don't see the point in it. Like I'm fine with putting on regular eyelashes with glue on the days that I decide to wear eyelashes. Next is the wing eyeliner stamp. Literally a little stamp that you put in the very corner to stamp on that wing. I think I saw Nikki Tutorials do this video or review this item in a video, and literally, if I remember correctly, when she put it on her eye, I think what ended up happening was it wasn't all transferring evenly. And let's be 100% honest, if Nikki Tutorials can't really get it to work, then the rest of us are doomed. Oh, next are the eyeliner stickers. Literally, they are stickers that you stick onto your eye. It has the wing, it has that bit across the lid. That, I don't know. Like, who says that particular sticker is going to be the correct curvature for my eye? And yes, you can cut it down if it's a little bit too long, but then am I not ruining the shape that it was originally made in? Like, could it end up creasing, pulling up? Like, oh my gosh, it's just a mess. It's just a mess. Oh, the Ciate glitter flip lippy, where literally you put on the liquid lipstick, and then when you like rub your lips together or start rubbing your lips with your finger, glitter's supposed to like be activated. Like, why? Just make a liquid lipstick with some glitter in it. Why do I need to push my lips together or rub my lips in order for the glitter to come out? Like, what's the point? Like, what is the point? Just put the glitter in there in the first place. Am I? Oh, and lastly is the crystal highlighter that I just saw Laura Lee do a review on. It's literally just a little container, a little box, and it has crystals in it, like decorative crystals that you can make jewelry with, because they have like little holes in it, so that afterwards you can make jewelry. And it's like, I don't understand what the point is of having these little gemstones, these little crystals, these little pieces, and then you're shaking some highlighter on it and expecting me to put my brush in it and put it on my face. What does the crystals do to make the highlighter better? Absolutely nothing, because they're just little pieces of stone with a hole in it so you can make a necklace afterward. Like, the highlight looked nice on her, don't get me wrong. It looked really, really cute on her. But the crystals don't do anything. They just don't do anything. Don't see the point. Like, it's just such a gimmick. And the thing is, because Laura Lee has reviewed it, and even though she was kind of like, she even said herself, it's a gimmick. Even though she said it's a gimmick, you know that they're gonna go and make money. And I'm not hating on anybody making money, like, go make your money. But what does it do? Like, it doesn't do anything. It's just another highlighter, but you just put stones in it. It's okay. I'd rather just buy a regular pressed highlighter or loose highlighter or cream highlighter that just does what it's supposed to do without me having to worry about little pieces of stone. I'm okay, I'm good. Anyway, so if you have any other gimmicky products that you know of that I haven't yet mentioned, let me know. I'll also leave the list of my other gimmicky product videos down below so you can watch those just in case you do want to watch those. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.